Hi there, this is another Messenger Minute. Today we're going to learn a little bit about using text in Inkscape. So we're going to start by selecting the text tool over here on the left toolbar. It's the one that looks like a letter A, surprisingly enough. Now we can we can click anywhere on the canvas or off, it doesn't really matter. But we just do a single click to get started, and then we type in what we would like to write. So I'm going to start with this word, kerning. Now once I have it there, I can highlight it just like a text editor, still using my font tool. And over here I can select the style of my lettering and the size of my lettering. So it's pretty basic. We can move it around then with the select tool. We can even resize it if we wish. Okay, but there are some special things that we can do with Inkscape that we can't do with other tools. And one of those things is called kerning. So I'm going to get back to my text tool, and I'm just going to highlight a letter here. So there's my letter I. And please watch the black box on the top left of the screen. You'll see my key controls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the Alt key, and I'm going to use the arrow keys. So I can use the up or down arrow key, the left or right arrow key, to move these things around individually. So let's say I want this letter to go a little closer to my K. I'm just going to hold the Alt key and use my arrow keys, and that's called kerning. But we can also rotate each letter. So we can rotate them by using the Alt key and our square brackets. You'll see it up above in the top left corner. So we can rotate left or right using Alt plus the square brackets. Now we can go letter by letter doing it this way. Now if we don't highlight a letter and we hold the Alt key and we use the arrows, what happens is all letters after the cursor are affected. Now this is for vertical and horizontal movement. If we don't select a letter and we try to rotate, it will still only rotate a single letter. But using the left, right, up and down arrows, all the letters after the cursor are kerned. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. This has been another Messenger Minute.